for launching a brand new product with 0 reviews today, should we start with an automatic campaign or a manual campaign, and why? I would tell you not to start not with an automatic campaign, not with a manual campaign, but ask yourself, how much budget do you have? And based on that budget, or understand, okay, realistically, how much budget is it going to require also on my end to start a campaign on Amazon? The easiest way for you to do that is you would find your top 5 keywords, even if you want to go bold, top 10 keywords, create exact match campaign and see how much would it take per CPC, cost per click, for you to go for each of those keywords separately. Now, why am I telling you this is because if you're selling, especially in the supplement niche, the one keyword might cost you $20 for the one click. If you're selling in other niches, it might be cheaper, or if the keyword is lower search volume, might be cheaper, but realistically, it could cost you $20 for one click. Now, based on that one click, as you can see, we are working backwards. Based on that click, we are going to think, all right, realistically, with 0 reviews, no one knows me, how many clicks do I require in order for conversion? And we would, the best case scenario, we would allocate at least 10 clicks because no one knows your brand, no one knows your product, you're just new to the market. So 10 clicks in order for one conversion. That is still a good scenario. How about if it's going to take you 20 clicks? Can you stomach that? And then based on that, what you're going to realize that the question is not going to be about automatic versus manual campaign, but how quickly do I want to get data together and see what works and what doesn't. I would personally go still for manual campaigns, and especially if it's highly relevant for your product, then auto campaigns are also great. But what we are seeing on auto campaigns is that if you're not already good in how to navigate, how to pause, how to optimize, how to do all those things, automatic campaigns are going to become a burden rather than the manual campaigns where you know that you have the one keyword, you have it in exact match, and based on that, you're doing your optimization and getting insights. With an automatic campaign, especially if I don't know your knowledge level, but based on the question that you submitted, it's allowing me to think that you might be even starting auto campaigns that even if they are separated by other substitutes, loose match, close match, and then complements, even so, that is a pool of people that you're targeting. It is not the one person who would go for the one keyword specific for your product. So in a nutshell, I would start with a manual campaign based on all the data that you already pulled.